In this video, we will show you the top 5 best hot air guns for 2025. From powerful performance to precise controls, these heat guns are perfect for tasks like paint removal, soldering, and more. All product links and updated pricing details are included in the description below. So let's jump right in. Number 5. Lefavor QR611, a hot air gun. This is the Lefavor QR611, a hot air gun, a powerful 2,000-watt industrial-grade tool built for serious performance. Its stainless steel body resists stains, corrosion, and impact, making it a durable choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. You can count on this heat gun to withstand heavy-duty tasks without losing efficiency. Equipped with a high-quality heating element, it supports long-duration use with precision. The digital display lets you control the temperature accurately from 60 to 650 degrees Celsius. That means whether you are shrinking tubing, stripping paint, or working on plastic welding, this tool adapts to your task. You also get 2-speed temperature adjustment and stepless temperature control, allowing you to fine-tune both heat and airflow. The digital screen not only shows the current temperature, but also allows wind speed adjustments, giving you complete command over your work. Thanks to its intelligent display system and dual heating wires, energy use is optimized while maintaining high performance. Despite its powerful output, it operates with ultra-low noise, making it perfect for indoor use. The compact, portable design makes storage and transportation simple, and the included nozzles enhance its versatility across different applications. Safety features like anti-shock and anti-fall design ensure you stay protected even in demanding environments. Whether you are a hobbyist or a professional, the Lefavor QR611 delivers reliability, control, and safety all in one tool. Number 4. JCD Heat Gun. The JCD Heat Gun is a compact and powerful handheld tool designed for precision and ease of use. It features a digital LED display that allows you to monitor and adjust temperature and airflow settings with complete control. Built with a high-quality silicone body, this heat gun provides excellent heat dissipation, increasing its durability and extending its service life. The sleek, green line design adds visual appeal without compromising performance. Delivering 750 watts of output power, the JCD Heat Gun operates within a wide temperature range of 100 to 480 degrees Celsius. The airflow reaches up to 150 liters per minute, making it ideal for a variety of applications such as soldering, heat shrinking, welding, and light-duty DIY tasks. The keyboard adjustment system lets you fine-tune both airflow and temperature effortlessly. Whether you need gentle heat or focused intensity, the controls are intuitive and responsive. Included with the heat gun are 3 interchangeable nozzles in large, medium, and small sizes. These can be swapped out quickly, allowing you to adapt the tool to different tasks with minimal downtime. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip during extended use. The built-in brushless fan promotes quiet operation and efficient cooling. Lightweight and compact, the JCD Heat Gun is easy to store and transport, making it a practical solution for professionals and hobbyists alike. Number 3. DSUNYK DSF-4 Mini Air Gun. The DSUNYK DSF-4 Mini Air Gun combines compact design with industrial-level power. Built with a stainless steel air duct, it resists high temperatures, corrosion, and acid, delivering durability with a sleek, rust-resistant finish. The gun's nylon and stainless steel sheath enhances its resistance to heat and wear, while the ergonomic handle and high-quality press switch offer comfort and reliability during extended use. Despite its compact size, this mini air gun delivers an impressive 2,000-watt power output and a wide temperature range from 60 degrees Celsius to 650 degrees Celsius. Its turbocharged turbine structure ensures fast airflow and efficient heat delivery for demanding tasks. The rear temperature adjustment knob allows for precise control, and the Blu-ray LCD display provides clear, real-time monitoring of temperature settings. Its key temperature regulation mode gives you tailored heat output for each specific task. A smart 10-second protection function keeps the air motor running briefly after shutoff to safely expel residual hot air, protecting both the device and user. Switchable wind speed settings give you the flexibility to adjust airflow according to your application needs, whether you require low or high volume. Included are 4 interchangeable nozzles, designed for various uses such as shrink wrapping, welding, and general heating tasks. These accessories make the DSUNYK SF4 a versatile tool suitable for both hobbyists and professionals looking for performance, safety, and precision in one compact device. Number 2. Mythtiger Thermoregulator Heat Guns. The Mythtiger Thermoregulator Heat Gun features a bold industrial design paired with a large digital display, giving you clear and accurate control over temperature settings. The display makes adjustments simple and precise, ideal for both beginners and professionals. Built with high-quality metal and durable plastics, it offers long-lasting performance. A high-temperature resistant insulation shield and dust-proof air inlet enhance safety and durability, even during extended use. With a powerful 2,000-watt output, this electric hot air gun delivers strong and steady heat. Its temperature range spans from 60 degrees Celsius to 600 degrees Celsius, adjustable via a smooth, stepless control knob. This versatility makes it perfect for tasks like soldering, welding PVC shaping plastic, drying materials, and stripping paint. One of its key features is the double turbine blade design, which ensures a fast and consistent air outlet. The tool offers 2-speed wind regulation, allowing you to choose between 350 liters per minute and 500 liters per minute, depending on the job at hand. The ergonomic build includes a hanging loop for easy storage, and the advanced heat insulation and dust protection help safeguard both the tool and user. Whether you are tackling a delicate electronics task or a heavy-duty repair, the Mythtiger Thermoregulator Heat Gun gives you the power, precision, and flexibility to complete your work efficiently and safely. Number 1. Yofidra 6 Gears Hot Air Gun. The Yofidra Digital Hot Air Gun delivers powerful performance with a sleek, cordless design that maximizes flexibility and convenience. With a robust 2,500-watt power output, this heat gun is built for both precision and strength. It features a high-quality construction with a comfortable grip and user-friendly controls. The LED temperature display allows you to monitor and adjust heat levels with accuracy and ease. This heat gun offers 2 temperature modes. High gear ranges from 300 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius, while low gear offers a range from 50 degrees Celsius to 300 degrees Celsius. This wide temperature range makes it suitable for everything from delicate heat shrinking to intense paint removal. Wind speed is fully adjustable through 6 gears, offering airflow between 300 liters per minute and 550 liters per minute. Whether you are handling detailed work or heavy-duty projects, you have full control over the heat and air output. For added safety, the gun includes a locking system. Press and hold to unlock the trigger, then press the round lock button for continuous operation without needing to hold the trigger. Included are 2 nozzles, a flat nozzle for wide, focused heating like paint removal, and a curved nozzle for even heating, ideal for defrosting or cable shrink wrapping. From car filming and softening wires to removing old paint and dissolving pipes, the Yofidra Digital Hot Air Gun is a versatile tool designed for serious performance across a wide range of tasks. There you have it, the best hot air guns of 2025. Check the description for details and prices. Like and subscribe for more top tool picks.